Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make Wednesday paper dolls. In this template you will find 11 dolls. Each doll has 3 different clothes, a school uniform, a ballroom dress and everyday clothes. The link of the dolls you will find in the description of this video. You will also find the background of the room. You can download it for free from our website. So let's make a room. I have already cut out all the details and glued them to cardboard for greater strength. In the template you will find stripes on which you should glue the wall details. Each stripe indicates which detail needs to be glued. So I glued all the details, now I need to glue the blankets. I will use double-sided tape, but you can also just use glue. In order to make it more convenient to play, the structure can be placed. It looks beautiful. Now let's make dolls. I decided to glue my doll to cardboard so that it is stronger. Then I will cut it out and laminate it with tape. I usually cut off the necessary piece and put the part on top of it, so the tape lies evenly. Then I cut off the sticky edges and I do the same on the other side. Now I need to cut out the doll. This time I decided to make the dolls larger than I usually do. These dolls are 8 inches tall, and since there are many dolls, I did not make moving dolls, just this. And now everything is ready. Let's take double-sided tape and attach a piece on the hair, then attach it. On the dress I glue one larger stripe and small pieces on the sleeves and boots, so the dress will hold stronger. And our doll is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy and happiness, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!